So this is the repeat slide you can see here. So we have done fatty acid synthesis this way, opposite uphill process. Fatty acid process is uphill process. Here citrate shuttle word, but here you can see it is downhill process and there is carnitine shuttle. So this fatty acid is transported inside mitochondria and fatty acid oxidation occurs in mitochondria. So fatty acid oxidation occurs in mitochondria and fatty acid synthesis occurs in cytosol. So this is the basic difference. Compartmentalization is the one of the most important differences. And see, when fatty acid synthesis occurs, this cannot be occur. When this fatty acid degradation occurs, breakdown or oxidation occurs, so fatty acid synthesis cannot occur. These two are mutually exclusive process. This occurs during fed condition, this occurs during fasting condition. And this is how you have to understand. Now you can see this. These are the disorder we are going to talk about, and more than this disorder, we are going to talk about other disorders as well. We are going to talk about in fatty acid oxidation in next class probably. So you can see palmitic acid. This is synthesis. We have already done the synthesis. Uphill process, fatty acid synthesis require insulin. The downhill process is catalyzed by, stimulated by glucagon, and then the same thing you can see from acetyl coenzyme A it was synthesized, and then this bond was formed here. Here the bond will break. So that is the opposite reaction. Here bond formation required 2NADPH. So here there will be production of, because of bond breaking, there will be production of 2NADPH equivalent molecule, not equal molecule, equivalent molecule. What are they? Equivalent to 2NADH. One will be NADH and other will be 1FADH2. FADH2. So two equivalent, one NADH and one FADH2. Okay, so this molecule will be synthesized because of breaking of bond here.